ayan mga session, dito kami sa airport ng Zakynthos. Diba? Ito siya oh. Maliit lang ang airport ng Zakynthos mga ses. Mas malaki pa yung tindahan ni Aling Bebang. Ayan siya. Tapos ito na yung check-in. Oh. Tapos andun yung taas. Pag akit mo doon, lipad na, ganon. So ayan mga ses, paakyat na kami ni Jowa. Hindi na kami nag-check-in kasi hand carry lang ang bag namin. And now, dito na kami sa security. Ayan, ang security lane. Diba? Ang late lang ng mga seswang ng airport ng Zakynthos. Tulad ng sabi ko, malaki pa yung tindahan ni Aling Bebang. So ayan mga seswang, tapos na kami sa security and now we are here in duty free Kemen ng airport.
Am I duty free?
Yes, my love, you're duty free. Ayan siya, kanilang duty free. Ay, bongga. Maliit yung airport pero ang taray. Marami kang pwedeng makita sa loob. Oh, di ba? Huwag na tayong tumingin kasi baka mabudol tayo mga sesh. Ayan. Oh, ang taray, no?
Pwede wala na yung this without that.
So, ayan mga session, nakarating na kami sa bahay. Oh my God, na-miss namin tong bahay namin. O, diba? Ayan ang aming bahay ni Yos. So, we are finally home. Yan ang mga luggage. Diba? Habang si Yos ay nandun sa bed. Okay. Ang kusina namin, yung mga plato na iniwanan namin, pero malinis na to. Punasan ko na lang siya. So ayan mga seswang, see you again in our next video. Papahinga na kami, super tired. See you tomorrow, bye! Good morning mga seswang! So our Greece holiday is finished and today, we are preparing to go to the beach here in the Netherlands. In IJmuiden because the weather is so good.
Like you
Well,
should always go to
he
IJmuiden.
is enjoying his coffee.
Yeah.
I'm going to prepare guys fruits. So this is our baon for today. Ihanda natin ang ating baon
Okay,
para
so
sa
you
araw
prepare the
to.
fruits. You prepare the fruits. So I will make now the toilet dirty after my coffee, so you have something to do when we come back. Yeah?
No, you have to eat it. Huh?
Only 9 minutes of footage left on the SD.
I hope this mango is sweet.
Yeah.
I really hope. So yes mga session, we are outside. We're going to buy some food into the beach. Daan kami sa Jumbo because we want to buy something to eat in the beach. Kasi naman mga session, tinanghali kami ng gising ni Jowa. Kaya hindi na ako nakapag-prepare. So better we need to buy outside. Diba? Maaraw siya ngayon. Nice weather for the beach. Ito yung Jumbo na malapit sa amin mga session. Dito kami nag-grocery ni Jowa. So, tingnan natin kung anong pwedeng mabili dito sa Jumbo. So, ayan si Jowa, namimili siya ng salad. Gusto ko lang ng salad mga session. So, ayan mga session, andito kami sa sa gasoline station kasi si Yos nag-stop kami dahil gusto niya bumili ng makakain tinapay kasi hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Dahil alam niyo ba, late kami nagising ni Yos. And then, kasi weekend mga seso, meron akong pasok. Night shift ako last night. So, nakauwi na ako ng bahay mga 1 o'clock or 12:30. Tapos, ayun, natulog, nagpahinga, and then paggising namin ka ng umaga, 10 o'clock na, my God! Ang sarap ng tulog namin. And then for today's beach mga sesh, wala naman tong plano eh. So out of nowhere, naisipan namin ni Jowa na pumunta tayo maligo sa beach tapos maganda kasi yung weather mga sesh. So kumbaga parang 30 degrees or 29 degrees I think. Tapos bukas 31 degrees. So kailangan namin samantalayin ni Jowa ang warm temperature ng Netherlands kasi next month autumn na mga sesyong at malamig na naman ang panahon. Kaya kailangan natin maligo ng maligo sa beach, di ba? Kahit super brown na tayo. So ayun mga seshwang, kain muna kami ng breakfast ni Yos kasi we don't have breakfast. Are you enjoying your bread? Nice?
Yeah.
Okay, so dito kami nag-stop mga seshwang. It's a 1 hour travel, so see you later kapag nasa beach na tayo mga sesh. So ayun mga seshwang, diyan ako nag-work. So ayan mga seshwang, medyo malayo pa. Enjoy mo na yung mga view dito sa Netherlands. Look outside. Yeah, I think so. O diba mga seshwang, magandang Netherlands. So finally mga seshwang, nakarating na kami ni Yos dito sa beach. Oh my god, we had a really long traffic. Instead 1.5 hour kami makarating mga sesh. Instead 1 hour, inabot kami ng mahigit 1.5 oras sa super traffic. Ayan, di ba? Ito yung lagi namin pinupuntahan ni Yos na beach kasi maganda siya. Tahimik, tapos maraming parking area. So ito yung parking area dito, may hotel dito. Kung gusto niyo mag-hotel dito sa Leonardo Hotel, ayan. Tapos maluwang ang parking area, so parking is not a problem mga seshwang. Last year, you already saw this vlog. Pumunta kami ni Yos dito nung nakaraan. So, since summer na, patapos na ang summer, next month autumn, so samantalahin natin ang mag-beach. So, ayan ang beach. Oh my god, madaming tao mga sesh. Oh. Ayan mga sesh, may restaurant dito. Gusto nyo kumain? Ayan, may restaurant dyan. And also,
Really busy there.
yeah, dito sa kabila may restaurant din, madami. At the sun is really good. That's what I like here. Maganda ang sand. Ayan. Diba? Ang daming tao doon mga sesh. Ayan, there. Hanggang doon. Pero sa banda doon, there's not much people. As usual, sa side na to, a lot of people.
I think there's a lot of people, but the beach is just so big that it doesn't seem like a lot of people.
Yeah.
That's the good thing here, the beach is really big.
Yeah. So yan mga seshwang, maghanap tayo ng perfect spot where we can sit down so we can enjoy this day. Sunny, nice weather. With
Diba?
diba mga sesh. So yun ang mga seshwang, itong sunglass na to where I bought sa Greece kay Aling Angelina Jolie. And also the bag. Ito yung bag na to. Ayan.
This
Diba?
one I get for my co-workers.
Yes.
Finally,
Yes. So, tara doon mga seshwang. So, yan mga seshwang. Nakapili kami ng perfect spot. So, ayan. Yos is fixing his bed. And where I will gonna... okay. So, diba, dala ko na yung galing sa Greece mga sesh na bag. Ayan. Tapos yung ating pang swimming.
Give me your Give me your towel.
Here, inside. This one. Yeah. So, ayan mga seshwang, di ba? magpaaraw ulit para maging brown pa tayo. Si Yos gusto talaga niyang maging brown. Ako naman, gusto ko maging white. So, ayun mga sesyon, nagugutom na kami. Kain muna tayo ng salad. Preparing the salad. Ayan. So, ayun mga sesyon, ang aking salad. I have shrimp. Actually, this is harnalen. Yeah, shrimp. With cocktail sauce and veggie. Tapos meron siyang pasta na kita ko kanina. So ayan. So ayan mga sesyon, i-try natin yung ating shrimp salad kung masarap ba siya. Ito may shrimp tsaka
It's not raw.
no. Masarap siya mga ses kasi yung salad niya tsaka yung shrimp tsaka yung cocktail sauce is so nice. Masarap. So ayun mga sis, kain muna kami ni Yos before tayo mag-swimming kasi nagugutom na kami. Akalain nyo, 1.5 hour kami sa daanan. Usually, 1 hour lang. So, yan mga session. Nakakain na kami ni Yos, tara naman ngayon sa dagat. Try natin yung beach ng Netherlands, di ba? I have here this from Greece. So, gagamitin ko ngayon dito sa Netherlands. Kaya ko inuwi ito mga session, di ba? Ayan siya. So, ito yung dagat nila dito. Ayan. Maganda rin yung sun nila mga ses. Soft. Ito ang kanilang dagat.
Really?
Yeah. Ha?
Oh my god, it's like a
Yeah, oh my god. No, it's good.
a lot colder though.
Medyo malamig.
It's a lot colder than Zakynthos.
Yeah, malamig siya mga sesh, pero okay lang. How is it?
Echt cold.
It's really cold, sabi ni Jowa. Ay! Ang ganda mag-swimming dito, oh. I like here. I can swim here. So, ayun mga session, tahimik yung dagat, hindi siya gaanong maalon, tapos walang hangin. Pero malamig yung tubig, pero carry. Okay, babe, I want to swim.
It's just colder than before though.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so Mother Tricia is going to swim. Oh, fucking hell. The water is echt fresh.
My God, very malamig.
Yeah. And it's really...
Ito natin yung tubig dito sa Netherlands because last week we went to Zakynthos now here.
Yeah, now we're in IJmuiden.
Come here, babe.
Yeah, yeah, my balls are freezing. Yeah, if your legs get used to it, it's less cold. But
So ayun ang mga sasawang talon. Ang lamig, malamig yung tubig. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, yeah. Piatos. Cold? Cold? It's fresh, Magasesh.
Sarap siya. No, babe.
Of course, once you're inside, it's okay. Once you go inside, it's okay.
Ayan mga sis, try ko yung tubig. Ang sarap.
You think I can handle it?
Yeah, it's cold but it's fresh. Once you're there, it's fine. Diba? Kailangan talaga mag-go ka na mag-go mga session.
fresh, excited.
Yeah. So ayan na, try mo na be.
It's this cold, guys.
Yeah.
It's this cold.
Diba? O yan
My
na,
legs
wait.
are not cold anymore, though. Oh, when it goes higher, it gets cold.
Okay. Yeah, I just tried na.
It's like it's only a couple of inches.
Yeah, it's good here. Yeah. Oh.
Oh my god.
2, 3.
Lekker.
Good?
Yeah. Oh, the water is here sweet, not salt.
Yeah.
It tastes sweet. But it's less salt though. It seems less salt than in Greece, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Trisha want to be Superwoman again. Ah! Oh nee, watch out! A jellyfish! No kidding. Kwallenbek. Come here, swim here now so people can see. Come this way. And swim here. Today the water is really clear.
Ayan mga session.
Show them. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Ayan.
Piatos. Lekker hoor. Lekker weertje, hè, lieverd?
Huh?
Lekker weertje, lieverd. Nice sweater. Oh, fuck.
Less salt here really.
Oh, lekker hoor.
Ska mga session, ang sarap. So ayan, ibalik ko muna yung camera
I'm gonna die.
so we can swim. Okay, dive one more time. Wait,
I will just die.
okay.
Or shall I run?
No, it's fun, no?
No, stay here, stay here.
It's really good though. Okay.
Let's enjoy the water.
Ayan mga seswang, ibalik ko tong camera sa bag and then let's swim. Diba? Okay mga seswang, itry natin ng ating Heineken beer. Is a Dutch beer. Yan. Something is hiding there. Okay.
Something or someone.
Something. It's your thing. So yan mga seswang, nakapagbabad na kami sa init. Of course, time to make our skin brownier than usual. Diba? You know what? I like it now because before, nagpo-focus ako mapaputi. Pero ngayon mga seswang, gusto ko nang maging brown na brown kasi mabenta dito ang brown.
Hey guys, look what happened to my swim pants. You see anything different to my swim pants?
Yeah.
No, you're not filming with that. Right.
So, Yo's pants is kapot. There. So, let's try the Heineken. Masarap siya mga
And then
sesh.
when she stopped filming, oh babe, bitter. Bitter.
That's really good because I like this one and can it stay cool. What's your beer? Why you're not drinking?
Because I drink moderately, not like you alcoholic.
No, I'm not alcoholic. I'm juiceaholic. Depends. And we have our chips mga Szechuan. Oh, yan, di ba? Ang daming doon. So yan mga Szechuan, tapos na kami sa beach, pauwi na kami ni Jowa, and we try to pass by in Yumbo to see what we can eat in the dinner. So anong pwedeng kainin? Daan tayo sa Yumbo mga Szechuan at let's see kung ano ang pwedeng mabiling ulam mamayang gabi. So, kita-kits tayo mga Szechuan sa bahay.
I want to eat ano. So stinky here.
Ayan mga Szechuan, dito na kami sa Albert Heijn. And bibili kami ng dinner namin ni Yos. So ayan si Bebe Love. What we have ay avocado, egg, and then pizza. So ayan si Jowa mga Sesh. Bibili kami ng aming dinner. Kasi wala kaming dinner sa bahay. So ayan ang Albert Heijn mga Szechuan. Diba? Sa kabila naman is Yumbo. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong mabibili sa Albert Heijn. Parang ang Yumbo lang din. Walang pinag-iba. Pangalan lang. Ayan. So, ayan mga Szechuan, we're back in our house. Now, we arrive and I just had pizza. Yos already ate. Time to relax mga Szechuan, and thank you so much for watching our vlogs for today's video. And I hope makapag-like kayo, makapag-subscribe, and don't forget, leave your comment mga Sesh, and see you again next time sa aming vlog. Bye!